Hey y'all, welcome back. This is part two of my color fail, hairstyle fail, but revamp wig tutorial. Right now, so the beginning of the video, that is what I ended up with at first. After I had did all that stuff in the last video, which I'll link in the description box. I washed the hair out and said, let me try something else. So I'm going to curl the hair and try a different hairstyle. That one, to me, it was just sitting too long on the website. I wasn't getting like any traction. I think that's the word for it. I don't know if that's the word for it, but it wasn't getting any views. So I'm like, well, let me change it. So that's what I'm doing today is recurling the hair and trying a different hairstyle, look for this wig so we can sell. So right now I'm just curling the hair. I'm using that curling iron. It gets hot. It's oh shucks. I can't think of the name, but I'll put it in the description box below when I'm done. But yes, it was steaming and all that, but it didn't really hold the curls in my opinion. Or it could have been me, user error. I think if I had sprayed it with some hairspray and let the curls sit for maybe like 30 minutes, it probably would have had a better curl. So I don't know. Either or, I feel like it was both. To be honest, it was me and the curlers. But right now I'm just doing the pin curl method. I'm not the best at the pin curl method. I'm still learning how to do it. They do teach you in school, and I haven't done it in a while. But that's what I'm doing today, doing the pin curl method. And, if you have any suggestions on how to do it better, or, if I need to do something different, let me know. This is a safe place for questions and suggestions. So anyway, that's what I'm doing today. And I'm just letting it cool down and pinning it up. It's super hot. So if you have like little gloves, I definitely suggest that. I didn't have any gloves. And be careful with the oil spray, the oil sheen. The only reason why I was using it today or in that day is because I didn't have my shine spray. So that was all I had, but be very careful because it will weigh your curls down and make it oily, greasy looking, and that's just not the look that we're going for. So yeah, just be very careful with that. Ooh, it's hot, hot. Ooh, it was so hot. Ugh. But if you've been doing this for a while or you're used to that, it don't hurt. So notice that I'm curling away from the face. So this is the left side. So I'm curling away from the face. So you want to hold your curling iron going downward and then curl going backwards. So I did that on this side, and down the other side, I did it in the opposite direction. So just make sure in the front area, your crown area, that you want to curl the hair going backwards. So yeah, just like that. And then release. Let it kind of cool down a little bit in your hand. Turn it and put your clip on, and that's it. So I didn't show the whole entire process because who got time for that? But see how I'm doing it going backwards like that? Yeah. So I did the whole entire process. Just kind of, a little something, show y'all what I was doing. If I could stop stuttering. But anyways, I'll let y'all watch that, and then I'll come back towards the end. So after combing out the curls and doing a little layer in the front, I still wasn't, and doing some baby hairs on the side, I still wasn't satisfied with how it was looking. It just wasn't popping in my head, and I was trying to figure out like, what do I want to do? What do I want to do? And so I decided to cut some more layers in the front right here. You see, I got more layers, and I was like, I don't really like that. And so I decided to go this route. So I decided to do a part down the middle and do layers on both sides. And I love the way this came out. This is how I wanted it. This is the look that I was thinking about, and it popped, it sold, and that was the goal. So anyways, I hope you enjoyed the part 1, part 2 of my tutorial. And as always, I'll see you on the next one. Peace and God bless. Mwah.